So just wanted to leave a quick video on the torch. Cost about $8. I saw a couple bad reviews on it, but despite all that, I think it works great. I use it for my nectar collector, and I gotta say it's been working perfect. I mean, I've been using it non-stop. I dab it heavily, so it works upside down, everything easy to use. I read that sometimes I don't turn on or whatever. I would recommend using a good gas, not cheap gas. I don't know if this is good or not, but this is the one I use. But anyway, good torch, perfect for dabbing. And yeah, recommend it. Good torch, really good, easy to use too.
I ordered these 2 torches through Amazon as a set, and I found with both of them, turn them on, they light, then when you let go, they don't immediately shut off. See it on both of them. Let go with my thumb, and the flame stays going. This is an unacceptable fire hazard.